This is the wind, and it's very gusting here at the present time. And yeah, this is my first time on the ground. This is my second windstorm footage, and as the wind is going very strong here, and here we go. Listen to that wind, guys. As here we go. Yeah, you can actually see that the temperatures are dropping by the minute. So this is reason why we have gusty winds coming on through here. So, and the temperature is actually dropping by the minute. So this wind, if we were to have Neptune style winds here, it would be completely catastrophic. As you can see, that the winds are coming out of the south. As you can see. Whoa. Okay.